Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to leave your exhaust valve permanently open on this 430i F36. This works on all F-Series, might even work on G-Series. However, not the regular method by unplugging the actual valve, but we'll pull out a fuse from the trunk, which leaves it permanently open. So I'll show you some before and after clips. It's really easy, it literally takes like 1 minute to do. So as you guys know, this valve is in the left side of the exhaust, and it stays closed unless the car is on sport, only when it's warm. So that's what we're gonna do. So what we basically need to do is start the car, let it warm up a bit, put it in sport, and then turn the car off while it's still in sport, leaving the valve still open because it doesn't close until the next start, and then we'll pull out the fuse. So as you guys heard just now, the valve is now open. See over there, completely. So what you want to do now, while the car is still in sport, you just turn it off, and I'll show you now the valve remains open. So what you also want to do is just turn the car second time off, so it's completely off, just in case of any electrical issues, but this shouldn't be a problem. And then you want to open your trunk. Pull out the back thing like so. So here's your fuse box. What you want to do is you want to take out the paper. It shows. So the fuse you want to pull out is 146, which is, as you can see on the legend here, that's the fourth one down on the left side. So you can see it's on the other side, it's here, 146. So I'm gonna grab your little tool. So here, fourth one down. So just pull it out. And now the valve is permanently open, as I'll show you right now. As you can see now, the car is on comfort mode completely, and the valve is still open. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to see, but it's open. I think you can hear it, even if we go through the settings. Sport Plus, even Eco, it still stays the same. We can turn the car off. The valve will remain open permanently. So here we start the car again. As you can see, there's no lights on the dash. In the error messages, no notifications, just the door open. It's perfect. Even in comfort, it's popping. So that's pretty much it. Now you have an open exhaust, which is much louder. Sounds pretty good actually for a stock exhaust. Thank you for watching.